One big squeeze of mankind. Come on, use them guns.
Don't fuck with them up because I don't know how you're gonna get it out.
Drill it out.
How do you drill them out?
Yeah, we're staying us up fucking solid. It starts spinning, that's it, you fucked.
Good words of encouragement there, Con.
Thanks for the help, Con. or Curtis, whichever one you are.
Yeah. Arsehole.
Hey man, think of the kids watching the video, stop swearing.
Leave it out.
If I swear, does it mean what you won't put it in the vlog?
No, it's going in, Adam. Everything's going in.
Yeah, I will take the hit on it, don't worry.
With me, it's fucking taking it.
Oh man, what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm just taking it, you just lost about $3 grand.
You want to know what to start with?
What, is made money?
I've seen Jake on his Instagram, he still says all about his R32 and he's still got it.
That V6 noise.
So how do you feel? Just a quick update.
Yeah, good then.
It hasn't finished yet, so we'll see.
Oh, the wheel scratched! Oh no!
That's what it in front is alright.
Squeeze!
Yeah, we should got allied ones. What colour do the calipers?
People.
What's wrong with that colour?
I can get powder coat properly, so do go blue again, or do go silver or
Gold.
Whatever colour your next interior
Gold
is.
calipers look nice.
They do.
They do.
They do.
I'm not taking the piss. Gold.
No, not gold. Silver. Or grey.
Black. Gold.
You still got cat hair on your hair?
I know. What the fuck?
Don't even have cat anymore.
Come here. Cat remains, bro. Stanley!
Side on then that and then.
Right.
And then just work round.
One big step for mankind, eh?
Just leave it unlocked. Yeah, just lock it.
No one's going to steal it, mate.
No, but I just...
Becky can't take that one away.
It's not how you can put it around.
I like it.
You put it on with a straw?
Yeah.
He's fed up already. Oh, look, mate, look, they're nice.
Is there a reason why it don't match up with the Sharpie marks?
Just need to put it on again.
Just silent.
There's a lot of sighing going on from you, Sheldon. Are you alright, mate?
No.
Why?
Yeah. Just an eyes on this one. Simply. Oops.
You know what? I've got that vibe from you right now, from that guy from the RWV videos.
Have you?
Yeah, you know where like he fits the arch and like he's just screwing the arch on. You're like the white version of him.
Yeah, but that guy has got no regrets though.
Neither is he now.
50 grand Porsche, he's got 2 grand off and he
Oh, lads, stop messing about. Give him a hand. Gary, I like how you try and make him feel better by your comments.
And then you heat him
You're
up
dead
and
good,
then
you,
form
mate.
to-
Yeah, that's a friend.
Sat basically. Take it out.
Gary, mate. It looks really good.
Oh, the hand.
The hand.
You need to just open this hole up a tiny bit.
The hand of dick.
Just give it a bit.
I'll take this car off you now for a grand.
Get the holes welded up pretty easy, like.
Fucking silicone.
Fill it.
There's a vinyl on top of it.
It's alright there.
I like it though.
Is there something behind you that they called caption on or something?
No, it's not the right angle. Screw it in it.
No, this ain't even the worst part yet. You can fill those holes up right now if you change your mind. This is because the arch.
Oh, Connor's gonna cross for a date. On you now,
Yeah.
Connor, mate. It's on you.
Just get buzzing on it.
Slacken that up and then
That's already loose, that. It's not tight, that one.
take that out and then get that one in and then see how that lines up.
So we're gonna start with that one then.
I like this.
Oh my god. I'm heavy breathing for you, bro.
So loud as you know.
Is it just the outside to for the plastic?
Look, they want that walking punch. Is that your bit? Oh my
Oh. Huh? Boom things, yeah? Ah, it's popped out.
Take that one out and then you might be able to find that one better.
Yeah, don't tell him what to do.
Helping.
I'm like you cunt.
Hey, that's the C word. It's on your car already. I don't see why it don't fit though. You drilled it straight through.
Because really I should have drilled one, done one, drilled
Because
one,
these are
done
tight,
one,
so
done one.
if you need to, you can open out half an hour or something.
But you wish we'd do one, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Don't be like that. We're friends. We're the two best friends that anyone can have.
got it.
No, I am.
Can't I help him then?
I am unlocking.
He gets a 5mm drill bit.
Have you not got a
Drill.
1.5? Your
Yeah,
half size?
4.5.
Just gonna go at like 4.
Oh, I watched a video of the RWE man. He done that when he couldn't get it on.
Still the whole thing.
Yeah.
Just doing it right.
Elongated. He
Doing it
did.
Right then. That got me easy now. Was it grabbing?
Have you found a car yet?
I haven't put my car back to standard yet. I'm not going to do it till my car's standard.
Oh, you're not?
Nah. So once my car's standard, I'm going to look. Because if I find the right one now and I'm not ready to swap it in,
Because you screwed it out already.
I'm going to kick myself.
Oh,
the
yeah,
angle.
shit.
So if I don't look, then I won't be disappointed.
They just got your air money.
You what?
They got your money for your air fee.
Yeah.
Can you get Reaver?
Hmm?
Can you get Reaver?
Yeah.
Just easier, innit?
Well, you can just do that stealth job that maximises my room.
Yeah.
But
You'll
I'm
notch it
Come
for
down
your...
a little
don't need notch.
Oh, do you not?
No.
There.
Oh, because
Put
you
it
win.
in there.
Because of the car.
And get straight.
Beamers don't need notches.
Because it's just
Right down straight.
Yeah.
nowadays that music do it.
That's
The
right.
chassis legs on them. The chassis legs hang right long though.
If I bag that, I'd fuck. Fucking
Yeah.
top
tight
tight
again straight away.
Yeah, like Sam's.
Yeah.
Right, we'll take the others off.
No way around it, is it?
He's still not raised that on the shops.
I don't know. Rob's funeral, isn't it? It was.
Yeah.
It is.
Well, I'm going now, bro.
Probably not, but it'll fucking help.
Oh, that goes straight in that. Yeah. Why do you just tell me to sit up? I think it on video.
Yeah, sat up floor and pushing it.
No, don't fucking sit in it.
I'm not sitting in it.
Why don't you just cut the bottom of it off now?
What are you being so angry for?
Yeah.
Before you start measuring.
I'll say air it up.
That's how they say that. I'm not being a cunt, but I generally forgot it all.
Can you bring Connor's top mounts?
Them 30 quid ones.
Well, since you're helping him, I think, yeah. 30 quid.
Gary's here!
No! No, Gary, no! No, Gary! No!
What's up? Nice doing, isn't it?
At least take it into a bottom so we can actually.
Hey,
like,
Gary,
work
you
with it.
wouldn't dare do that, mate.
Oh,
You wouldn't dare do that. What did you say, mate? Gary?
Yeah?
Am I didn't raise your pussy?
Yeah, no. Did
No, I didn't raise no bitch.
God, it goes in well easy, doesn't it?
You know why?
Hello. Oh, mate, arch fitted, done, dusted. Let's go home.
Sure car.
What's going on? Just got. What are you going to do with the bottom? Have you thought about it?
I think you leave it. Like
Drive it, it'll wear itself down.
like a mud guard, innit?
Rally spec.
Like that pole, isn't it? Yeah, fuck the wood flats.
Oh, mate, that looks pucker.
Pucker blues.
You gonna flex that round or are you gonna
I
track
think,
that corner
I think
off
it'd
there?
be better flexing that round to there.
Feel like down there though.
You have to redraw your line.
I think I should
Did
not
you not heat it up?
take that.
Do this top.
You got a heat gun, I think it'd be better putting that into there.
Ah, I didn't bring mine.
I haven't got one. Chopping it off. But then
Is it
putting
It's
out there.
are the fiberglass or plastic?
ABS. ABS plastic. So flex.
Mm.
Put that in there.
That folds out nice.
Yeah, but because of the bottom bit, you're pushing it in away from the line.
You joining any lap?
You know your front one, so you're going to cut the arch where we lift the bumper?
Yeah. That's how I'm gonna make it lift up. Right, we're in there.
Why would you do that?
Take it all off.
Quite a genuine R32 bumper.
You guys
I don't
want
want
one?
that.
Why would you cut the where the ring meets the bumper?
You do that. So you can take the bumper off and not take the entire wing.
Just undo a bolt.
It's not welded on, I don't know, but I think the lines are... Yeah, no, I
Do this one for now.
I wouldn't do it.
Before you
So
start
line
cutting
meets
that.
up, we'll be able to do it fine.
Looks really good for me though.
Yeah.
Fucking use this.
Go on, Gary.
Just cut it from there.
Yeah, go on, do it. Go on.
Make sure it's straight.
Why?
Why?
He's cutting it low so you can
So you
tuck
can-
it up anyway and get it right. Just cut it. Cut it up, bitch.
Plastic's gonna flick everywhere, so watch it.
Oh, fuck this.
Oh no!
Oh, no, you ruined it. Oh, fucking smell.
Yeah, because you can form that round there.
No.
Oh, no. Hang on.